Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing the device. Update tvOS or iOS and restart to ensure a clean state. Sign into your Apple ID so the Apple TV app and App Store work smoothly. Next, install the Netflix app from the App Store on your Apple TV. Once done, open Netflix and choose Sign In. You can enter credentials directly or use the activation code Flow on Netflix. com/activate. This quick start gets both apps ready, so the Apple TV ecosystem can reference Netflix content. You've signed into Netflix, now link behavior across apps. Sign into Netflix fully, pick your profile, and confirm playback works. Make sure the Netflix app permissions are allowed when tvOS asks. These let the Apple TV app reference available apps. Then open the Apple TV app and inspect the Apps section or search. When you select a title that Netflix owns, Apple TV should offer to open in Netflix or show a Go to App button. This ties navigation between the two apps for smoother playback transitions. Finish by testing. Choose a Netflix-owned title inside the Apple TV app and tap the option to open it. It should switch to the Netflix app and start playback. If it does not, sign out and sign back into both Apple ID and Netflix, then restart the Apple TV device to refresh app links. If problems persist, reinstall the Netflix app, confirm your network allows streaming, and make sure region settings match your subscription. A common tip: clear temporary app data by restarting before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.